Hey everyone, Elise with Duro Dancing here, and we are getting ready to stomp it out to the Cowboy Hustle, good old school 32 count 4-wall dance that you can really pair with any song that you like. If you still need to learn this dance, go ahead and click the link above. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the button below. Either way, I'll see you on the other side.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long, caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun,